Hello Foot Geeks! Today we're going to be talking about the towel tug. Now what's a towel tug? The towel tug is an exercise that allows you to, number one, improve the flexibility of the ankle, especially upward motion, as well as help stretch the calf muscle. We use this particular exercise with patients that have plantar fasciitis, potentially some metatarsalgia, which is ball of foot pain, or in some cases Achilles Tendonitis. The reason we use it for ball of foot pain is because when your calf muscles are tight, or your Achilles is tight, what can happen is it can cause your foot to transfer very quickly onto the ball of the foot, which can put more pressure on that particular area. The best way to do the towel tug is in a seated position. So you want to sit at the edge of a chair or potentially on the floor. Use a tensor band or a towel, depending on what you have available at home, and gently stretch the toes upwards towards the shin. So you basically place a towel or the tensor band around the ball of the foot and you gently tug it towards your chin until you can feel a mild stretch in the calf muscle. You want to hold this probably anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute, maybe 2 minutes, to help you feel a release in the calf muscle. And at that point you can notice when the calf muscle releases and it gets relaxed, that's when you want to let go, and you can do it again the next day. So the purpose here is to increase the range of motion and flexibility of the calf muscle so there's less tension on that particular complex, as well as improve the range of motion of the ankle. If you've got any other questions or comments regarding the towel tug, please post those below. Or if you find our information helpful and you want to see more of us, hit that subscribe button over in the corner. Have an awesome day.